I picked up these Strada Sega wheels for my wife's new Tahoe. And before we purchased the wheel, I was searching around online trying to find pictures of what it might look like on the car. I couldn't really find much, so what I did was I took Photoshop and copied a picture of the wheel and put it in place on the car where it would be. But the angle of the wheels wasn't perfect, so it didn't give us a perfect idea of how it would look. But it did give me a ballpark idea. So I did end up purchasing the wheels, and I figured I would do this video to show how they look on the Tahoe, as well as a short review of my feedback on the quality of the Strada wheels. So in summary, I do think that the wheels look great. I think they're decent quality. Some of the other reviews that I saw that were critical on the Strada wheels were different wheels where they had multiple pieces. They had like a chrome lip that was glued onto the wheel and was noisy. The wheels that I ordered are all one piece. It's solid. They're just black powder coated. They don't make any weird noises. There's no strange vibrations. They handle great. Car rides smooth. My wife's extremely happy with how the Tahoe looks now. These are the wheels and the tires that we chose. These are Strada Sega 22 by 9.5. And they're the same size all around. They're not staggered. For the tires, I went with Toyo's Proxes. These are 305 45 R22s. They fit nicely. This is a much beefier tire than what was on there. Alright, so now you have a good idea of how they look. So we just got back from about a 500-mile round trip ride, and I think these wheels ride great. Wheels and tires ride great. I didn't have any strange vibrations or anything like that. I did see some critical reviews on some different Stradas, 24s or 26s that had separate chrome lips on there, where the chrome lips were actually glued onto the wheel and they're making some strange clicking noises. But these wheels are all one piece, just all black. There's nothing glued or anything like that on there. They don't make any strange noises. And like I said, no vibration, anything like that. The Tahoe rides much better now than it did with the old wheel and tire setup. Here are the old wheels and tires that I removed from the Tahoe. BF Goodrich Baja Champion 265 65 R18s at 18-inch wheels. I also have these for sale locally, Facebook Marketplace. Tires are pretty much brand new. They came on the car when we bought it, drove it for about a week. My wife decided that she wanted to upgrade the wheels and the tires, so that's what we did. Wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And if you like the information that I provide on my channel, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more information that I hope will be useful in any projects that you might be working on at home.